Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Narina Kawal. In this video, I will explain you how you can make your own page, link tree or beacon page. So first of all, I just explain you what purpose of link tree and beacon page. So your different links just put into one page. Simply definition. You can see this is how use it anywhere. You can put your Facebook link, YouTube link, Snapchat, Insta, LinkedIn, any link you can just put into one page. So it's safe, link to everywhere, easily managed, it's beginner friendly and free. And if you want to upgrade, you can upgrade. So you can see this is example of link tree. Now I am show you another page. This is a beacon page, so a website that can keep up with your content. So this is example of beacon page. You can insert your different link into one page, build your business. So a beautiful page in 1 minute. So this type of page you can make your own. So I will show you how you can make your own page. So what you need to do, you just simply sign up and you can choose your name. So Norina Kawal, invalid. So you can see continue, and here you need to put your name and email address and password and continue with password with email. So I have already account, so I just show you how you can do it. Continue, and here we go. You will see how you can make your own beacon page. Beacon page and link tree page are both same. So your TikTok username, your Instagram username, and your Twitter username. So you can add your name, and here we go. If you have Twitter, so you can add it and continue. I'm showing you step by step how you can make your own page. So in next, skip, and here we go. Add your information. If you are student, personal help, there is different categories. Which category is suit, you can choose your category. So I'm just choosing marketing because it is suitable for me, and continue, and here we go. So you can choose which theme you want to put your page. You can see here there is different themes you want to put. You can choose. It's look like this, and if you choose this, so there is different themes you can choose, right? So for now I just use this and select. And do you want to sell item that you show in your TikTok videos? Yes. And enable visitor to watch your content watching having yes. Do you want to build and engage a community of fans? Yes. And direct your visitor to friend brand your work product you believe in? Yes. So here you can see they are suggesting you content about you. If you are in education, if you are health and fitness, so they are offer you pre-designed templates about you, right? So this blog, for example, I'm using I'm an marketing and influencer. I love to travel, meet new people and fan. So you can choose any of pre-designed template, right? So I'm just giving you example. You can see your page look like this. This is your introduction, this is your name, this is your TikTok, Instagram, and here we go. You can claim your domain if you have, and $14 per year, and entrepreneur plan is $10 a month. So you can choose free. So skip and skip. Here we go. Your page is ready. So you can copy this link and simply paste into your TikTok account, Facebook, and Insta, anywhere you want. And if you don't want to put your link, you just simply keep in your, and you can give into your private message to your friend. This is a convenient way for yourself, easy, lots of link put into Linktree beacon page, and when you need to link, you just copy and paste it. So you can see, copy the link, and so you can see after that you will see this step, how you can create your profile. So there is different themes you can choose, apply, and your page look like this. You can see this is example. So when you choose this page, this is totally free on Linktree and beacon page. If you want upgrade, you can upgrade. So this is view page. You can choose this and apply. There is different themes and look like this, right? And you can choose a page style, square, round. You can see this is round and full width, and here we go. It's look like this. So you can choose the level of box, 27%, 73%, 100%. So anything you like, you can use it, right? So here is different themes. You can change the background, light, dark, anything you want, you can do it. So there is button, text, everything is here. You can change the style of text. So you can see, and how to add more links in your page. So go to appearance, here we go. You can add it in header, right? You can use your own picture, and you can see there is different style, your picture. You can use your picture, social media icons, add social. So this is header, and about me, write anything about you, you can add it. So like this is pre-designed template. You can use your own words. You want to explain yourself, and here there is link. You can add lots of link like here. So add new link into bottom, right? You can put the title here. So here you need to paste your link, right? So this is how. And you can also put the link on top, put the title and link, and that's it. You can use email and SMS to collect. And if you want to promote Amazon product on TikTok, so I'm just giving you example how people are doing. So this is a person who is doing Amazon affiliate, and he just put the lots of link on his page. You can see he just put lots of link, right? So there is option you can put. So this is TikTok shopping, shop your TikTok. You can add it video, you can add the video of yourself, community, friends, or anything you want. So this is appearance advanced. If you want to upgrade, you can upgrade. So I'm just using free. So just purpose to submit your different link in one page. So this is your link tree or beacon page link. You just simply copy this and paste into your browser, and you will see how it look like. So you can see this is your design template, and these are your link, and here we go, right? So once again, you can go here. Here you can see email list, user manager, refer a friend and get commission. So you can see give $20 in credit when someone sign up using your referral link. You will earn 30% of revenue generated by the user for next year. So you can promote this link as well. This is your link. You can copy it and give it to your friend and get commission, right? So one more thing about this, you can see analytics, right? How much views, clicks on different links. For example, this is your page. You want to see how many people come into TikTok. You just need to see on analytics. So here you can see 2 view, 3 view. So every detail they send on your email, and also you can view on analytics. So this is here your earning. So you can use set up PayPal accounts. So QR code, user management, so upgrade account setting, so you can do it. So this is example of, and here you can get the weekly emails update, and here we go. And if you want to put the sensitive content, you can use, I see lots of people using the 18 plus, 21 plus, 25 plus. If yes, then page will be open. If no, so it's up to you if you want to on it and off it. So this is how you can make your beacon page and put your affiliate link and different links, social media link into one page. So, and here we go, you can see this is your page and it's ready to use. And another is Linktree. Same, you need to sign up. You can use your email, username and password and sign up with your email, and same as beacon page, right? So this is how you can make your beacon page and Linktree page. And I just show you one more example about this is my page. So you can see this is my page. I'm an affiliate marketer and I love to share my knowledge with others. I think it's important to be an active participant in your community, and I do everything I can to make it happen. So this is my introduction, this is my name, this is my country, and TikTok and Insta. And you can see I'm promoting 15 days challenge, 3-day challenge, 1-away funnel challenge. So this is how you can put your affiliate link here, and that's it. It's easy for me. When someone want to get the any of link, I just go into my beacon page, copy it and paste into message box. That's it. So this is how, and you can also join mailing list. So this is how you can make your beacon page and Linktree, right? So you can see this is also example. You can choose your different social media, and he is using Linktree, right? You can see he is using Linktree. Both are same, Linktree and Beacon page. Chat with me, join my free Facebook group for online business tips. So this is how you can make your Linktree and Beacon page. So you can see. If you like my video, drop down a comment, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. And thanks for watching. And if you want to know what I'm doing, just go down to description. There is 15 days challenge. Take the 15 days challenge and start learn about this system, how the system is work, and make money online. Thank you.